Good morning, student. This is standard 8, subject English, and here is our workbook, Unit 1, Q for question. We are again doing this starting with the first paragraph. Read this paragraph. Vikas says, "Hello, good morning and welcome everyone. Today at our Smith Vidhyalaya, we have the 4th annual Smart Student of the School contest. Our English teacher, Mr. Parmar, is the host of this competition, and with him, the scorer is Mr. Bright, his own laptop. Our principal, Mr. Sharma, is the expert. Today we have 9 contestants. They have computer screens in front of them. All of us are eagerly awaiting the start. So let's not waste the time. Now it's a question answer. Who is the host of the contest? The English teacher, Mr. Parmar, is the host of the contest. What is the name of Vikas school? The name of Vikas school is a Smith Vidhyalaya. Who is Mr. Bright? What does he do? Two questions are together. Mr. Bright is a laptop of Mr. Parmar. And what does he do? It is a scorer, so he keeps the scores of the contest. What is the name of the contest? The name of the contest is Smart Students of the School Contest. This is the name. Who is the expert for the contest? Mr. Sharma. He is the principal, is the expert for the contest. How many contests are there? There are 9 contestants. Optional questions from these paragraphs. Who welcomes everyone? Vikas. Who is the host? Host means anchor. Mr. Parmar. Who is the expert? Yes, answer is a D. Mr. Sharma. Who is the scorer? Scorer is a Mr. Bright. Who is Mr. Sharma? He is a principal. Now next question. Which word in the paragraph means anchor? Anchor means host. Which word is used for one who takes part in a competition? એવો વ્યક્તિ કે જે કોમ્પિટિશનમાં પાર્ટ લે છે, that is contestants. Paragraph 2. Here is a dialogue of Mr. Parmar. The first round is fast finger first round. Okay, ready? I will give you a question on your computer. You will get maximum 7 seconds. The contestant with the quickest finger will come to this smart seat. Your time starts now. What is the first round? First round શું હતો? The first round is a fast finger first. How much time will be the contestants get to answer the question? Maximum 7 seconds. વધુમાં વધુ 7 seconds. Which is the first round? Fast finger first. How much time will the contestants get? Option A, 7 seconds. Maximum means maximum no matlab શું થાય? The most. Mr. Parmar, no dialogue છે again. Okay, the time is up. Let's see who is the quickest. And she is Nandita Gosai. She took only 3 seconds. Welcome, Nandita. Come to this smart seat. Who is the first contestant according to this paragraph? Yes, Nandita Gosai. How much time did Nandita take to answer the question? See, she took only 3 seconds. 3 seconds. Only 3 seconds. Now it's a optional questions. Who was the quickest? Quickest matlab jhadpi. Option C, Nandita Gosai is the right answer. How much time did she take? She took 3 seconds. Now fourth paragraph. Mr. Parmar says, right, you have got a chance. Okay, now let's have the rules. I will ask you 6 questions. Each correct answers will bring you a gift, and 6 correct answers will get you a scholarship. You will get 200 rupees every month. Here is Miss Tick Tick. It will give you only 1 minute for the first 3 questions. There are 3 helplines. You can use any 2 of them. Ready? First, Hello Help. Second, Expert Advice. Third, Student Support. Now from this paragraph, here is a question answer. What will Nandita get for each correct answer? દરેક સાચા જવાબ માટે નંદિતાને શું મળે છે? નંદિતાને શું મળશે? Nandita will get a gift for each correct answer. Next question. What will Nandita get for 6 correct answers? નંદિતા અગર 6 સાચા જવાબ આપે છે કરેક્ટ આન્સર તો તેને શું મળશે? Nandita will get a scholarship of rupees 200 every month. How many helplines are there? Yes, we know there are 3 helplines. Which are that? First, Hello Help, Expert Advice and Student Support. It's optional question. How many questions will Mr. Parmar ask? Mr. Parmar તમને કેટલા question પૂછશે? How many? So answer is 6. How many helplines are there? Yes, we know there are 3 helplines. What will the contestant get for each correct answer? Yes, gift. Question number 4. 6 correct answers will get the contestants. Yes, a gift. How many helplines can the contestant use? There are 3 helplines, but they can use only 2. So answer is B. The contestants will get blank for the first 3 questions. First 3 questions માટે કેટલો સમય મળશે એમને? Yes, 1 minute. Next paragraph on the next page, page number 8 in the workbook. Mr. Parmar says, Miss Tick Tick is going fast. If you are not sure, you have helplines. Nandita said, yes sir, helpline please. I want to take Hello Help. I want to call my auntie. Mr. Parmar says, okay Miss Tick Tick, please stop. Nandita says, dials the number, and it's a questions. Whose help does Nandita take? Nandita takes help from her auntie. Which helplines does Nandita use? Nandita uses Hello Help helpline. See this paragraph and listen it carefully. Mr. Parmar said, yes, you are quite right. Nandita, you win another gift. Now you are free from Miss Tick Tick. I want to say something about you to the audience. Nandita is a good player of hockey. She won the Player of the Match award in the last inter-school hockey tournament. Let's clap for that. Question 1. Which game does Nandita play? It's so easy. Nandita plays hockey. Which award she won? She won the Player of the Match. Where? Player of the Match award in the last inter-school hockey tournament. Now it's a true false. Say whether the following statements are true or false. આ statements અહીં આપેલા છે તે સાચા છે કે ખોટા તે અહીં લખવાનું છે true or false. First, after 3 questions, a contestant will be free from Miss Tick Tick. 3 questions પછી Miss Tick Tick થી free થઈ જશે તે. True. There is a helpline through which we can talk to a person. Yes. વ્યક્તિથી વાત કરવી હોય તો એના માટેની હેલ્પલાઇન હતી. કઈ હતી? Hello Help. True. The expert is an English teacher. False, because expert was a Mr. Sharma. Mr. Bright gives 1 minute's time to the contestants. It's true. Mirabai wrote Gujarati poem Gram Mata. False. The principal is the host of the contest. False. Host of the contest is Mr. Parmar. Then Nandita took 3 seconds to answer the questions. It's true. The contestants will get 1 minute to answer the questions in the fast finger first round. False, because there is just 7 seconds. 6 correct answers will get the contestants a gift. It's a false. There are 4 helplines. False, because there are 3 helplines. Now this activity we done in our textbook. Again we are doing this here in the workbook. Frame questions to get underlined words as an answers. Underlined parts નો જવાબ આવે તે રીતે આપણે ક્વેશ્ચન ફોર્મ કરવાના છે. સો ગીતા wrote a letter in the afternoon. અહીંયા આ સ્ટેટમેન્ટની અંદર 3 અંડરલાઇન છે. સો ફર્સ્ટ ગીતા એ વ્યક્તિ છે તો આપણે પૂછીશું કે કોણે લેટર સાંજના સમયે લખ્યું આફ્ટરનૂન. So, who brought a letter in the afternoon? Next question from this part. A letter. શું લખ્યું હતું? Letter. તો આપણે પૂછીશું શું ગીતાએ શું લખ્યું હતું? What did Geeta write in the afternoon? જ્યારે આપણે did લગાવશું ક્વેશ્ચનમાં ત્યારે જે એક્શન વર્બ છે તેનું મેઇન ફોર્મ થઈ જશે. Write. What did Geeta write in the afternoon? When did? When એટલે ક્યારે? When did Geeta write a letter? Next part. Mother put the dishes on the table. Mummy table par dishes રાખે છે. So first from this part, who put the dishes on the table? Put no main form અને past form બને સેમ થાય છે. Put અને past participle પણ put થશે. From this part, the dishes. તો આપણે પૂછીએ કે શું રાખ્યું હતું? What did mother put on the table? And on the table એ જગ્યા દર્શાવે છે કે ત્યાં રાખ્યું હતું. તો આપણે પૂછીએ કે ક્યાં રાખ્યું હતું? Where did the mother put the dishes? So these 3 are the answers. Means questions of this statement. Gandhiji was born on 2nd October in Porbandar. So who was born on 2nd October in the Porbandar? Yes, you can write till here. Who was born on 2nd October? When was Gandhiji born in Porbandar? એમ પણ લખી શકો છો. So when did Gandhiji born in Porbandar? Where did Gandhiji born on 2nd October? And next, Ajay 3 and in the morning. We very well know from this part જ્યારે વ્યક્તિનું નામ હોય ત્યારે whoથી ક્વેશ્ચન આપણે બનાવીશું. Who bought 3 kites in the morning? તો એનો આન્સર થશે અજય. 3 કેટલી ખરીદી હતી? 3. So how many kites did Ajay buy? Question mark here. In the morning. સવારના સમયે. When did Ajay buy 3 kites? When did Ajay buy 3 kites? Remember this. And then number 5. Harsh took his friend to his village last week. Who took his friend to his village last week? Then from this part, to his village. તેના ગામમાં. તો આપણે એવું પૂછીએ કે ક્યાં લઈ જાય છે? Where did Harsh take his friend last week? અહીં આપણે did લગાવ્યું છે માટે અહીં V1 એટલે કે verb 1 છે. જ્યારે અહીંયા જોશો તમે કે V2 યુઝ કર્યું છે કેમ કે who સાથે આપણે did લગાવતા નથી. Now last week ગયા અઠવાડિયે. તો આપણે પૂછીએ કે ક્યારે? તો ક્યારે થશે when. When did Harsh take friend to his village? When did Harsh take his friend to his village. Okay, now it's arrange the following words in order to the in which they appear in the dictionary. ડિક્શનરીમાં જે રીતે હોય છે તે રીતે આ વર્ડ્સને ગોઠવવાના છે. રાઇટ their meanings in Gujarati. You can use a dictionary. શબ્દકોશ એટલે કે ડિક્શનરીનો ઉપયોગ પણ તમે કરી શકો છો. ડિક્શનરીના આધારે આપણે જોઈએ છે કે પહેલાં એ વાળા શબ્દો હોય, પછી બી વાળા હોય, પછી સી વાળા હોય, તેમજ ડી વાળા હોય. તો એ પ્રમાણે જો ક્રમમાં જોઈશું તો પહેલાં આવશે એ એન્યુઅલ, દેન એ બી ઉપરથી શબ્દ નથી, તો સી ઉપર છે કન્ટેસ્ટન્ટ, પછી છે ડી, તો ડીનો શબ્દ અહીં છે તો ડિસ્ટર્બ, તો અહીંયા લખ્યું છે. પછી ઈ નથી તો એને સ્કીપ કરીને જે પણ પછીનો શબ્દ આવતો હશે તે અહીંયા લખીશું. તો પછી આવશે મેક્સિમમ, અને પછી ABCD પ્રમાણે જોઈશું તો સી એ લાસ્ટમાં આવશે. આપણને ખબર છે આ વર્ડ ઇઝી છે, CSEA, સી એટલે દરિયો. તો બાકીના શબ્દો તમને શબ્દકોશ એટલે કે ડિક્શનરીમાંથી જોઈને અહીં લખવાના છે. Now come to next page. Read the following paragraph and answer the questions given below it. This paragraph is about Rakesh Sharma. Let's read this paragraph. Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian to fly into space. સ્પેસમાં ઉડનાર ઇન્ડિયન એ રાકેશ શર્મા પ્રથમ હતા. He was born on January 13, 1949 in પટિયાલા, પંજાબ. તેમનો જન્મ ક્યાં થયો હતો? પટિયાલા, પંજાબમાં. ક્યારે? 13 જાન્યુઆરી 1949. He was a squadron leader with the Indian Air Force. He joined 2 other Soviet cosmonauts abroad and Soyuz T-11 spacecraft, which was sent off into space on April 2, 1984. Sharma was 35 years old. He spent 7 days, this is important, he spent 7 days, 21 hours and 40 minutes in space. સ્પેસમાં એને આટલો સમય પસાર કર્યો હતો. While Rakesh was in space, he was asked by then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, how does India look from space? જ્યારે તે સ્પેસ પર હતા ત્યારે પ્રાઇમ મિનિસ્ટર ઇન્દિરા ગાંધી હતા. તેમણે પૂછ્યું હાઉ ડઝ ઇન્ડિયા લુક ફ્રોમ સ્પેસ. સ્પેસ પરથી ઇન્ડિયા એ કેવું દેખાઈ રહ્યું છે? રાકેશ રિપ્લાઇડ, સારે જહાં से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा. તો આ લાઈન તો ગીતની છે, પણ એમણે એક્સપ્રેસ કરવા માટે કે ભારત એને કેવું દેખાઈ રહ્યું છે, તો આ શબ્દો એમણે કયા હતા? સારે જહાં से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा. Rakesh Sharma was awarded the Hero of Soviet Union award on his return from space. જ્યારે તે સ્પેસ પરથી રિટર્ન આવે છે ત્યારે તેમને એવોર્ડ આપવામાં આવે છે, Hero of Soviet Union award. And the government of India, ઇન્ડિયા તરફથી honored him with the અશોક ચક્ર. અશોક ચક્ર તેમને આપવામાં આવ્યું છે. Now it's a question answer. Who was the first Indian to fly into space? Yes, Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian to fly into space. How much time did Rakesh Sharma spend in space? Rakesh Sharma spent 7 days, 21 hours and 40 minutes in space. How did the government of India honor Rakesh Sharma? The government of India honored Rakesh Sharma with the Ashok Chakra. Who was Rakesh Sharma? He's an astronaut. What was Soyuz T-11? Soyuz T-11 શું છે? Spacecraft છે. Now here is an imaginary interview with Rakesh Sharma. રાકેશ શર્મા સાથે કાલ્પનિક મુલાકાત. જો આપણને ઇન્ટરવ્યૂ લેવાનું થાય તો તો ઇન્ટરવ્યુના ક્વેશ્ચન કયા હોઈ શકે તે આપણે ટેક્સ્ટ બુકમાં પણ જોયું હતું અને ફરી તમે આ રીતે લખશો. Now, question number 8. Answer the question selecting the correct options and write A, B, C or D in box. Who was written સોરઠ તારા વહેતા પાણી? આ ક્વેશ્ચન્સના જવાબ તમને આપીને તેનો સાચો વિકલ્પ અહીં લખવાનો છે. કોણે લખ્યું હતું સોરઠ તારા વહેતા પાણી? યસ, ઝવેરચંદ મેઘાણી. Which is the biggest river in the Gujarat? We very well know it is a Narmada. Where in Gujarat is the first of the 12 Jyotirling? 12 જ્યોતિર્લિંગમાંનું ફર્સ્ટ એ ગુજરાતમાં છે, તો એ કયું છે? યસ, ઓપ્શન બી, સોમનાથ. Now, fourth question on the page number 13. What is Gandhiji's residence in Porbandar known as? પોરબંદરમાં ગાંધીજીનો જે રહેઠાણ છે, રહેવાસ છે, તેમને કયા નામે ઓળખવામાં આવે છે? Yes, it is a કીર્તિ મંદિર. Who inaugurated the state of Gujarat? ગુજરાત રાજ્યને ઇનોગ્રેટેડ કોણે કર્યું હતું? રવિશંકર મહારાજ. Which poet wrote ભલું થયું ભાંગી જંજાળ સુખે ભજીશું શ્રી ગોપાળ? તો આ which poet, કયા પોએટે, કયા કવિએ આ લખ્યું છે? યસ, નરસિંહ મહેતા. Now, who wrote the poem ગ્રામમાતા કવિતા કોણે લખી છે? આન્સર ઇઝ કલાપી. Name the person who was known as મુછાળીમાં, because it is in English. મુછાળીમાં કોણે લખ્યું છે? યસ, ગીજુભાઈ બધેકા. Now here is a essay on my school. See, here is a little bit of difference between that audio's my school and here. So see this, you can write these and also you can write that or from the audio. So let's start to read. School is a place of learning. The name of my school is Upasana vidhyalay. Our school building is a very big. It has 2 floors. The classrooms are big and airy. We have nice teachers. They are kind and helpful. Our principal is strict, but kind too. There is a big library, a fine laboratory, and an assembly hall. Every morning we gather together in the hall for prayers. We visit the library during the recess or free periods. We have a large playground. There are many shady trees. I like my school very much. You can write this essay also